Welcome to Module 14, Borders of Belonging. In this module, we'll continue our conversations from Module 13 about the early years of the United States. We'll interrogate just who was considered to be American in the early national period. The module begins with an examination of the Constitution and the Bill of Rights. We'll explore how the new Constitution differed from the Articles of Confederation, with a stronger national government and the separation of powers which we know today. We'll also assess how slavery factored into the Constitution and explore the origins of the infamous 3/5 Compromise, wherein for the purposes of states' representation in the House, only 3/5 of the total population of enslaved people were counted. Then we'll look at the three distinct groups who were named in the Constitution: Native people as members of independent tribes, enslaved people, and the general people, which meant white people. Were Americans white? Were blacks American? We'll explore writings of the late 18th century to try to answer those questions. For example, we'll look at the writings of Hector St. John de Crèvecoeur and Thomas Jefferson to examine emerging ideologies about race, ethnicity, and American citizenship. We'll end the module with a more detailed look at early political divisions between founding-era legislators, namely Alexander Hamilton, George Washington's Secretary of the Treasury, and Jefferson, his Secretary of State. We'll examine their heated debates over Hamilton's financial plan and whether the United States should become involved in the French Revolution. We've reached the point in the semester where I will make you listen to and analyze lyrics from the musical Hamilton. The required readings for this module include an excerpt from Crèvecoeur's Letters from an American Farmer, a piece of George Washington's 1796 farewell address, and a Memory Palace podcast which considers these founding-era legislators in more human terms. Don't forget to submit your answers to the Slido polls by Thursday at midnight. Good luck with Module 14.